Qwidgets provides broad and deep support for major U.S. brokerages. This enables you to access account data and functionality from widgets and specialized pages. In order to integrate a brokerage, you'll need to authorize access. This process is as easy as clicking a link and following a series of prompts. Also, you can remove it at any time. Once a brokerage integration has been created, its accounts will automatically appear under the brokerages menu. Note that you can link as many accounts as you like and across multiple brokerages. Basic brokerage functionality, such as viewing positions and balances, is available from the account page. You can also place orders using the integrated trade ticket with full support for equity, option, and multi-leg trades. There is also support for managing your account orders, regardless of where they were placed from. This allows you to easily move back and forth between Qwidgets, your broker's site, or third-party apps. The real benefit to brokerage integration comes from incorporating brokerage widgets into your workspaces. To help you get started, there's even a brokerage workspace template with some common widgets pre-configured for the account you select. Let's create one now and configure it to automatically compact widgets up and to the left. The new workspace launches with widgets for key functionality, such as multiple views into your positions and lists of balances and orders. Let's do a little housekeeping to clean up the layout. Since we're interested in Tesla today, let's add a widget to display some quote and fundamental data. We can configure it to use the same brokerage market data feed in order to take advantage of the API integration. I'm going to move the Tesla widget to the left side because I prefer to see that data over there. Notice how the rest of the workspace responds to this movement based on the up and left company behavior we set up earlier. Finally, I'm going to add a widget to see today's chart. I'll put it exactly where I want it so that I can make the right decisions when the time comes. It only took me a minute to get this workspace how I like it, and now I can easily return to it whenever I want to check in. Sometimes I prefer to approach my workspaces from the perspective of a trade hunt. Let's create a new workspace using the option trade template and zero in on Tesla's June options. The resulting workspace gives me a good starting point for researching a prospective trade. It has overview data for the stock, an option chain, and research from both industry analysts and social media. I'll make some quick adjustments to get it exactly how I like it. If I zero in on the option chain, I can select a strike I'm interested in to get full detail. Since this call looks interesting, I'll click the pop-out button to pop out an option widget, so I can track it independently. Alternatively, I could just click the trade ticket button to set up an order. Qwidgets offers unlimited flexibility for how you organize your investment environment. That makes it really easy to get very specific functionality simply not available anywhere else. For example, let's walk through the process of setting up a workspace to keep an eye on all open orders across all accounts. Ordinarily, this would involve switching between all kinds of browser windows and apps, but we can do it all in one place. First, we'll add an orders widget and configure it to only show active orders for an account. Then, we can use the clone option to make an exact copy of it. Finally, we can configure that copy to use a different account. Next, repeat the process for all the accounts you want to track, and you have an easy way to keep tabs on all active orders in the market. And once we set it up, it's a valuable customized feature we can easily check in on at any time. Perhaps the greatest benefit of Qwidgets brokerage integration is how naturally it fits in with the rest of your trade research and tracking. Placing orders from a workspace drops you an order widget where you can manage it further without having to step away from all the other data and tools you use to run your investments. Check it out free today at Qwidgets.com.